Hi guys, today I will explain how to sell the Ethereum in Trust Wallet. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application. Once it will be open, scroll down, and here you will see my crypto list. On the second number you can see Ethereum, but what if you did not find it? Then the only thing is scroll down to the last and click on the option Manage Crypto, and here in the search bar search for Ethereum. On the top you can see Ethereum, and be careful, you have to enable the original one, because if you enable other, then you will not get any kind of token from that once you enable. Then let's go back and scroll up. And on the second number, you will see Ethereum. Just click on it. You will see multiple options. But from here, you have to choose Sell. Here, you need to enter the amount which you want to sell. On the top, you can see the payment method. Click on this flag, and here choose the payment method by which you want to get your payment. Once you will choose everything, then the sell option will be enabled. Currently, I don't have any tokens, so that's why this option is not available. But if you have, then you can tap on it, and within few minutes, you will sell it and will get payment through Trust Wallet. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.